Miranda Peterson. I am the owner and founder of Namaste Nature. We do yoga, hiking, and meditation with the most beautiful mountains and waterfalls in Western North Carolina. I'm also a 500-hour trained yoga teacher, and I like to make videos filmed in nature. And in case you can't tell right now, it is snowing, so I'm going to do a little yoga snow flow. Okay, so I'm on top of a mountain right now. So start in mountain pose, Tadasana. Feet are about hip width apart. Shoulders and arms are relaxed by your sides. Take a few breaths in. And you can't really see the sun right now, but we're going to do a few half sun salutations to warm up because it is a little bit chilly. So start inhaling the arms up. Exhale, fold forward towards the earth. Inhale, bring the hands up the shins. Exhale and fold. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Okay, number 2, inhale the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, hands up the shins, flat back, gaze forward. Exhale and fold. Inhale, bring the arms up. You can lift straight up or do a little bit of back bend. Exhale, hands to heart center. Let's do another one. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward, keeping the knees soft. Inhale, hands up the shins, gaze forward, long neck. Exhale and fold. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Beautiful. So let's bring the feet slightly more than hip width apart. We'll start bringing the right arm down, lifting the left arm up. Just feel a stretch in the left side body. And then switch sides. Bring the left arm down, right arm up. You can even gaze up at that right arm, right hand. Okay, bring both hands back down. Then we'll bring both arms up. Get another side stretch, so gently clasp the right wrist with the left hand and stretch over to the left. We'll switch sides, gently clasp the left hand, stretch over to the right. Let the hands float back down. Then we're going to turn to the side. We're going to come into a high lunge. Keeping the hands up, shoulders relaxed. Bring the hands back behind you. Interlace the hands. Open up the chest and the heart and the shoulders. Exhale, fold forward into humble warrior. And you can keep the hands resting on the lower back, or you can let the arms float up. Couple breaths here. Okay, then release the hands. Come back up into that high lunge. Start to pour the weight forward into the right foot, lifting the left foot off of the earth. Bring the hands to heart center, to warrior 3. And it helps to point those left toes down towards the earth and keep the hips even. Okay, so I'm going to interlace my hands behind my back and lift the hands up one more time. gently place that back foot back onto the earth. Bring the arms forward. Take a nice inhale and exhale. And then we'll come back to center. We'll switch to the other side. So this time, left leg is forward, right leg is back. Bring the arms up, relax the shoulders. Feeling strength and stability in the legs, the feet, and the hips. Let the arms come back behind you, interlace the hands, opening the chest and the heart. See if I can catch a snowflake with my tongue. Exhale, fold forward, humble warrior. Letting the hands float up as you bow down to earth, to nature, the universe. 3 more breaths here. Okay, let the hands come back down, come back into high lunge, and start to pour the weight into the left leg. Find a drishti here, something to gaze at to help keep your balance. Let the right leg float up off the earth into warrior 3. And anything with balance is gonna kind of help build a little bit of heat in the body when we're really focused and balancing. Again, toes pointed down, hips even. Option to interlace the hands behind the back and let the hands float up. And then gently place that right leg back behind you. Let the hands come back up. Take a nice full breath in and out. And we'll come back to center. Place both hands on the hips. Again, I'll interlace the hands back behind me. Fold forward, wide-legged forward fold. Again, resting the hands on the lower back or releasing the arms forward. I mean, it's cool to see snow, but it's even cooler to see it upside down. Another breath here. Just literally going with the flow here, whatever comes to mind in this chilly, snowy weather here in western North Carolina. Bring the hands back to the hips, lift the torso up. So I'm going to turn the right toes out and simply bring my right arm down, left arm up, coming into a triangle pose here. So my feet, legs are solid. Left fingertips up, right fingertips down. If you'd like an extra challenge, you can bring both arms out to the side. Challenge the obliques and the abs. Nice. One more breath here. I'm gonna come back up to center, do the opposite side. Turn the left toes out and let that left hand float down, right arm float up. Imagine yourself between 2 panes of glass, one in front and one behind, so the body is aligned. One more breath here. I've got this big, beautiful tree behind me, and it's one of my favorite poses, so I'm going to do a tree pose here. So you can bring the feet back to hips width apart. Start to pour the weight into the right leg, and we'll bring that left foot up. You You can bring it either to the ankle, the calf, or above the knee. Bring my hands to heart center. You let my tree branches grow up towards the sky. Just a lonely tree here in the snow. Okay, I'll let the arms float back down. I'm gonna see if I can keep that left foot up, bring it into my left hand, and bring the left leg out to the side. You can use that right arm as a counterbalance. Just opening up the left leg. And again, working on balance, which is gonna challenge me, warm me up a little bit here in this cold weather. Then I'll bring the left foot back down to the earth. Okay, we'll do it on the other side. So pour the weight into the left leg, bring that right foot to the ankle, calf, or above the knee. You don't want to place too much stress on the knee joint. We want to avoid the knee joint. Nice. Spreading the toes out here. You feel like you're rooting into the earth. Bring the tree branches up. My hands are so cold right now. Okay, let the arms float back down. I'll bring that right foot into the right hand and extend the leg out. Again, using that left arm as a counterbalance, taking up space here. Two more breaths. And I'll gently return that foot to the earth. I'm going to come back to mountain pose. Take a few breaths. Notice the effects of the practice. I've been inside most of the day, so it feels awesome to get out here and move around and connect with the elements, the snow, the winter season. Thank you so much for joining me for this winter snow flow yoga practice. Namaste and have a great day. If you'd like to learn more about me and my business, Namaste Nature, you can go to namastenature.com to book a yoga hike with us. We also have lots of great blog posts and helpful information for visiting Asheville.